Michael, I think this is one of the more important aspects of this wonderful thing that you've organized. If you know, people who know my work know that I often make this statement: you're only as good professionally as the extent to which you take care of yourself personally. And I really think it's a fair statement that for the last year and a half, those of us in the mental health field, it's been exhausting. It's exhausting to do teletherapy. It's exhausting to hold the anxiety and fear that our clients come with. It's exhausting to hold our own personal anxiety and fears about the state of the world and COVID. And so, the reason why when you asked me to do this, without hesitation, I said, hell yes, is because I love the idea of promoting for mental health providers the opportunity to be in an environment where they really can be connecting with self-care, where they can be powering down, looking at the water, feeling your feet in the sand. We need this now more than ever. And I can tell you, because I stopped traveling like everybody else, and then I just started again. And my goodness, what an amazingly fabulous feeling it was just to be able to be in an environment that was aesthetically beautiful, to not look at my email for a couple of days. You don't realize how much you need that, and the toll that it's taken to not be able to go to a beautiful place and to take care of yourself and to have a happy hour. We need this. We need this as mental health professionals so that we can recharge and re-energize and have what to bring back to our clients. So to me, I would put this week in Cancun like on a prescription pad if I could, because I really think it's necessary for mental health providers to create that opportunity and that space for self-care and joy. Like, we need it.